Now the solved examples. Example 9 from the textbook. Evaluate. Tan 65 degrees divided by cot 25 degrees. We can write 25 degrees is equal to 90 degrees minus 65 degrees. Therefore, this can be written as tan of 65 degrees divided by cot of 90 degrees minus 65 degrees. This is equal to tan of 65 and tan of 90 degrees minus cot of 90 degrees minus 65 is tan 65 degrees. This is equal to 1. And another example 10. If sin A is equal to sin 3A, sin 3A is equal to cos A minus 26 degrees, where 3A is an acute angle. Find value of A. Given, what is given? Sin of 3A is equal to cos of A minus 26 degrees. Here, sin of 3A is equal to cos of 90 degrees minus 3A. Therefore, we can write cos of 90 degrees minus 3A is equal to cos of A minus 26 degrees. Therefore, we have 90 degrees minus 3A is equal to A minus 26 degrees. That is 90 degrees plus 26 is equal to A plus 3A. That is 116 is equal to 4A. That is A is equal to 29 degrees. Now the 11th one. Express cot of 85 plus cos of 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45 degrees. Here this angle is 85, more than 45 degrees, and 75 is also more than 45 degrees. We have to write in terms of 0 angles between 0 to 45 degrees. We can write 85 degrees is equal to 90 minus 5 degrees, and 75 degrees is equal to 90 minus 15 degrees. Therefore, cot of 85 can be written as cot of 90 degrees minus 5 degrees plus cos of 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. This can be written as tan of 5 degrees plus sin of 15 degrees. Now we'll start with exercise 8.3. The first one, evaluate sine of 18 divided by cos of 72 degrees. Here this can be further written as sine of 90 degrees minus 72 degrees divided by cos of 72 degrees, because 18 degrees is equal to 90 degrees minus 72 degrees. This is equal to cos of 72 degrees divided by cos of 72 degrees. This is equal to 1. And so second one, how should we know to take it? 18 degrees is equal to 90 degrees minus 72 degrees. Observe the other ratio given and change the value of the angle accordingly. Here we observe the ratio of angle 72 degrees. So accordingly we have to change 18 as 90 minus 72 degrees. Second one, tan of 26 degrees divided by cot of 64 degrees. This is equal to tan of, here the other ratio is of angle 64 degrees, and we can write 26 degrees as 90 minus 64 degrees divided by cot of 64 degrees. This is further written as cot of 64 degrees divided by cot of 64 degrees. This is equal to 1. Here also we expressed 20 degrees 6 degrees as 90 degrees minus 64 degrees. 26 degree is the complementary angle of 64 degrees. On the third one, cos of 48 degrees minus sine of 42 degrees. This is equal to cos of 90 degrees minus 42 degrees minus sine of 42 degrees. Here 48 degrees is written as for 90 degree minus 42. Therefore, this is sine of 42 degrees minus sine of 42 degrees. This is equal to 0. Then the fourth one, cosec 31 degrees minus sec of 59 degrees is equal to cosec of 90 degrees minus 59 degrees minus sec of 59 degrees. Here 31 degrees is equal to 90 degrees minus 59 degrees, and cosec of 90 degrees minus 49 degrees is sec of 59 degrees minus sec of 59 degrees. This is equal to 0. Now the second method. Show that first one, tan 48 tan 23 tan 42 degrees and tan of 67 degrees is equal to 1. This 48 degrees can be written as tan of 90 degrees minus 42 degrees into tan of 90 degrees minus 67 degrees into tan 42 into tan 67 degrees, that is LHS is equal to, and this is equal to cot of 42 degrees cot of 67 degrees tan of 42 degrees tan of 67 degrees. Here cot of 42 degrees and tan of 42 degrees will get 1, and this one and this one, if you multiply them you will get 1. Why? Because cot of 42 degrees is 1 of tan of 42 degrees, 1 divided by tan of 42 degrees into cot of 67 degrees can be written as tan of cot of 67 degrees is 1 upon tan of 67 degrees, and we have tan of 42 degrees into tan of 67 degrees. So these get cancelled, we will get our answer 1. This is RHS. Now the third one. If tan of 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is acute angle, find the value of a. Tan of 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees. That is tan of 2a is equal to cot of 90 minus 2a. Therefore, we can equate the right hand side. Cot of a minus 18 degrees is equal to cot of 90 degrees minus 2a. That is a minus 18 degrees is equal to 90 degrees minus 2a. That is 3a is equal to 108 degrees. That is a is equal to 36 degrees. Then the fourth one. If tan A is equal to cot B, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Given tan A is equal to cot B, the tan A can be written as cot of 90 degrees minus A. This is equal to cot of B. Therefore, 90 degrees minus A is equal to B. There, that is 90 degrees is equal to A plus B. Hence, proved. Then the fifth one. If sec of 4a is equal to cosec of a minus 20 degrees. Sec of 4a is written as cosec of 90 minus 4a is equal to cosec of a minus 20 degrees. Therefore, 90 degrees minus 4a is equal to a minus 20 degrees. Therefore, 90 degrees plus 20 degrees is equal to 5a. That is 110 degrees is equal to 5a. That is a is equal to 22 degrees. Now the sixth one. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sine of B plus C whole divided by 2 is equal to cos of A by 2. We know that in any triangle ABC, sum of the interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, we can write angle C is equal to angle B plus C is equal to 180 degrees minus A. Let us divide this by 2. Therefore, we have B plus C divided by 2 is equal to 180 degrees upon 2 minus A by 2. This is equal to 90 degrees minus A by 2. So, LHS. We have to find sine of B plus C upon 2. And B plus C upon 2 is 90 minus A upon 2. It is sine of 90 degrees minus A upon 2. This is equal to cos of A upon 2. Hence, proved. This is RHS. Then the seventh one. Express sine of 67 degrees plus cos of 75 degrees. In terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. These two angles are more than 45 degrees. So we can write 67 as 90 minus 23 degrees and cos of 75 degrees as 90 degrees minus 15 degrees, right? This is equal to cos of 23 degrees plus sine of 15 degrees.